Hey there, I have something to share with you today. It's a wax warmer kit. I've wanted one of these for a long time and I finally went ahead and got one. It's impossible these days to get out with the whole pandemic, and unfortunately sometimes we need a little bit of wax. So I found this kit on Amazon and it looks like this. Has different temperatures for melting or maintaining it. I don't want to spill the wax, but the wax is in there. I have it melting already, so I can actually use it. But I wanted to show you everything it came with. So do like a little unboxing. It comes with everything. So the first thing I did was put my wax in, and I decided to use the blue. It came with another blue. It came with a pink and another pink, so I should be good for a long time. And these were the blue ones I used. It comes with two sprays, one you use before you wax and one you use after. It came with different size sticks, nice size pack, and instructions. So now I'm going to try it. Mainly it tells you to heat it, but then have it at a certain temperature when you're ready to use it. Not too hot, not too cold. And let's give it a try. So I'm taking the top off, and I think I'm going to use a smaller stick because I'm going to do my lip area. What they said was really important was to test it on your wrist. And it is not too hot. So I'm going to just smear some on here. And here. I cannot believe I'm doing this on camera. And get ready. But it's not too tacky. I'm going to do it. You ready? Ouch, not too bad. Awesome. I'm good to go now. Now I can get ready, get my makeup on, and get on with my day. That was quick and easy. I want to use the after spray, which is the after wax treatment. Just spray a little oil, make sure all the wax come off. Soothes everything a little, and I think I'm good to go. That was pretty easy. I feel better, look better. Didn't have to go to the salon, and you should check it out.